Hi there, this is Witch Nikki. Oh, my hair's a mess. Who cares, right? This is a strawberry plant. I think that I'm going to have to move this one in at night because it's showing some signs of either snail picking at it or something. But everything else on it's okay. And you know what? There's some little seeds that are on there. Do you see them? This is like yuck. So it either got wet and it could have got slobbered on by a snail. So what I'm going to do is take it off the plant so it's not thoroughly destroyed. And I'm just going to dump it right there in that plant. No big deal. Okay. Here's my little garden here. See too. This is here some kind of berry plant, but I'm not sure. It could be blackberries or something. But it's got a cute little flower on it, so I'm just going to observe it. So, how y'all doing? We got quite an ordeal going on in this world, don't we? Well, I'm not on my bike today, but I'm going to show you a couple little things here and there. I don't know if you can see this. I'm just going to hold it down here like that and kind of move it around, hopefully. These are zucchinis. Tomatoes. And cilantro, or whatever you want to call it. Now, see that up there? That's what we got for the sun today. So, hope it's not too bright for you. But here's the clouds. And these here are on rollers. See that? Little rollers. So, I don't keep them out here where they're going to get eaten by snails at night or destroyed by any other possibilities. Possums, rodents, whatever. We'll roll them right in here. Excuse the way it is. Now you see that in all of this stuff, all these shelves. Do we have toilet paper here stocked up? No. How much water do we have stored up? Like a little packet right there. Oh, it looks like Mike's home. He's my roommate, Ginger, and Ginger's grandpa. So I'm going to put you on pause and I'm going to go in the backyard. Okay, so I just don't want him to get up into it or nothing like that. He's probably just coming here for a little break in his day. Now, I have some mint plants that do show signs of snails, so I've given a job to Ginger to do. You can have your kids who are staying home now. They need to learn about survival, or at least about gardening. If you don't want to call it about survival, just call it gardening. See? Isn't that gardening? Even when you say gardening, survival. Gardening. So either way, you know it's for survival. It's gardening. Right over there is some blackberry plants, as well as here I found some little ones that tend to come from those plants. So I'm putting them over here to be safe from gopher food. Now, this is a succulent. I'm not sure of the name of it, but it's one, and there's a little varmint in here eating stuff. You're just gonna brush it away. It also could be snails. I'm not a big old expert, but you know, I observe things. Down here where you might see this little fence, little gate, or netting, these are pumpkins. I hope they're gonna survive. I found them growing out in the yard. October, yeah, you could probably just put seeds away from October from your pumpkin seeds. Whatever. They're just out here. There's some more teeny tiny little blackberry I hope people are seeing this okay, because it's kind of cloudy out here today. There's one over here in a peanut butter jar, and two over here in a... Are you okay? Let me see. Y'all dropped. I hope I'm still filming. That would be awesome. Yeah, okay. Sorry about that, tumble. But anyways, I was looking out in our recycle bin. I don't like it when other people do that, especially now. I do not want to see nobody picking through my trash. But me, I knew that these things were out here, and I decided to go fetch them, bring them back out here and stuff. Now, over here we have already, this is a yellow lemon guava, and look at here how it's doing. See that? And there's one growing right in there, at least one. So what I'm doing out of an old gate that we had is I'm taking these pieces of the gate. I should have removed this screw right here and put it the other way. Dogs might go bumping into that. Let me put you on pause a minute. See, I just smashed it in with a rock. I don't know if you could see that, but if I stand like this, maybe you could see it. There's the sun behind me. So this is a process, an ongoing process, is like I did over here. I call this my Walking Dead fencing type stuff, you know. You go in your yard and there's scraps of wood. This is from an old crib that we never even used for Ginger, because she just never liked being in a crib, a bed, you know, anything like that. And this is like, what do you call it, those little handrail, or those rails for the side of the bed, and some lattice that I had put over by our patio to keep cats in, but the cats decided they don't want to be kept in. And it was a nice cozy little place too. So over here is our avocado tree, and for whatever reason the old leaves haven't fallen off yet, but I'm just going to leave them because maybe the tree's getting its nutrition from the last bits of those. You see how they're all shriveling and drying up, but there's new ones coming, so I'm not worried. This is typical of this area, I guess, or I don't know what's going on with it. If somebody knows, leave a comment. We do get a lot of snails here, but this is just not a big top priority, is to get rid of all of this ice plant. I put it there for a reason, because this is what we have here. And in the summertime when it's dry, it just blows around. Dust, terrible dust. Oh, here's another little thing. This one had croissants in it at one point. So it's okay. Did you just notice that there was people over there? Skylar, he just noticed there was people over there working one house away. And they've been working out there all morning. And all of a sudden he just decided to get up and tell me about it. Like, oh, I gotta tell my mom. Oh, Ruby, she just wants some attention. I'm sorry. Maybe I need to put you on a pause again. Okay. See here? No, get away from it, honey. Get away. More pumpkin seeds that I've saved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. She's just eating some grass. Maybe 10. There's some little teeny ones down in the ground there. So I'm going to leave this cover on. And I'm going to take it over there to the safety zone that I've already had it done. Corralled, whatever you want to call it. Sorry about this. It's going to be a really shaky type video. It's kind of weird. Where would be a good safety zone? I was thinking over here, but see how I've also done another. This was a spring type area for a mattress for a crib. Probably one of them cribs that was over there. And then I have this kind of fencing going on around here too. I don't want her getting into this thinking, oh, it's got to be croissants. No, I don't know how animals think sometimes. Going and getting into stuff they see me doing. I don't know. I think I'm going to put this there. It'll be a little bit more. I got to put you on pause again so I could do this right. I don't want to dump it on the ground. Okay, so I'll show you, even though it don't really matter, but you just use what limited space and stuff. Right here, I just put it right here on the little shelf that I had there to kind of prop up that tree when it was a baby. And we had different things around it. And now I've, had to put stuff out. I took it away because we didn't have no dogs that was messing with it. But Ruby's been messing with it. Sometimes she puts her ball in there and then she pretends like she didn't know and it was off limits. And she goes getting there into it and she gets into trouble. All the dogs in the neighborhood's been on uproars. People barking, people barking at people and doing stuff. I think animals, like human beings, they get kind of caught up. Let's just sit out here and talk for a minute. She's mad because I put her BALL under their dinner bowls. 2 of them, a little one and then a big one on top of it. The reason for that is because I could be out there in the yard working. She will go get that BALL. Hey, guys, calm down. It's okay. She'll go get that and bring it to me. Stomp on it. Hey, play with me. Play with it. What is she doing with me in my shoe right now, trying to play with me? She just wants to play, and she's out there. What are you doing to these little pumpkin plants? What are you doing? What are you doing with this? What are you doing with that? She keeps digging a big old hole. I think she wants to bury Fred in it. There's Fred. He's so sad and pathetic. I'm serious. No, dogs, but this one. So anyways, keep yourself, what I'm doing this video on here today is YouTube. I haven't done YouTube in a while. I've been busy doing stuff. I've been going to the gym and working out, but I don't make a film about it because you're not supposed to be some kind of show off, and I'm not a show off. I'm not a show offy type person. I'm busy out there trying to do some upper arm strength type stuff. Then this stuff happened and they closed it down. A lot of places are closing down. It's just like one right after another, like a domino effect. Serious, like schools, libraries, parks. You know it. You've been there. You might have noticed I'm not mentioning the big virus that shall not be mentioned. I just don't want to. I don't even want to say that V word at all. And why? Because I'm so sick of it. And yet here I am kind of trying not to talk about it, but talking about it. It's important to talk about it. It's important to know your feelings. It's important to identify your feelings and deal with them. It's kind of like, I'm not trying to name any names of anybody that I know or nothing. But knock, knock, knock. Who's there? Oh, annoying friend. Annoying friend who? Annoying friend that just wants to come by and drop all their woes and everything on you and don't want to listen to nothing you have to say. As soon as they're, y'all got a friend like that. Comes over, hi, how you doing? Dumps all their crap on you. Hey, bring that here to me. Bring it here. She got my little hand shovel. Oh, you silly dog. But y'all got that. So you identify the friend. You know that it's an emotional vampire. Chill out. They can't help it any more than I can help being an empath and feeling all the feelings. I just got to be really careful about it. It's all around me. The feelings that's going on. Hey. Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Go get it. You can't get it? Now she's going to go look for it under that bowl. Hey, I'm giving him some attention. Be nice, folks. Be nice. I don't want to have to pause my video again. I'm going to go in pretty soon and have some lunch. An apple and an orange. Maybe a sandwich. I'll put you on pause. Well, it's gotten on to more than 16 minutes. I'll try to come back some other time. But Ginger's come out here now. Schools are closed, so she's going to come out and have a little recess out here in the yard. I'm going to go in and have my lunch. And I just sit back and see if there's any Days of Our Lives on. If not, oh well, I'll find something else to do. I just need to take a break because I've been kind of going with my little garden, my roller garden out in front, and this one out here. Looking for what I can do. Keep busy and be creative. Create something. Write down your feelings. Color in a coloring book. Cut out paper dolls. I don't know. Whatever. Go on Pet City. I'm on Pet City. You want to go on Pet City too? Go on Pet City too. I go on there once in a while just to relieve myself from this shit. I almost want to just go on there and create a little room and just do stuff like that. It's just kind of fun, something to take your mind off of what is going on. Be kind to each other. Be nice. Those weren't my dogs, but now my dogs are starting to bark at whatever that was going on over there. Keep yourself happy and healthy. Eat fruits and vegetables, at least 3 servings a day, each meal. Try to do as much as you can of fresh vegetables and fruit. There's places you could go to get fresh fruits and vegetables besides the market. If you want to ask me where, then ask me. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook, and I'm pretty sure somewhere there's a link. If not, maybe I'll put a link for my email so you could just ask me where else can you go. Think about it. There's people out there in the world who know. And right now, this last weekend, just before this all really started, everything closing down, we went out and it was really nice. There's a dog. There's just something going on in the neighborhood. People working because it's a little bit sunny, but somewhat cloudy-ish. So yeah. I love you all. Keep your heads. Be calm. Be patient. Be loving and kind, and be a humanitarian at least once a day if you can. Okay? All right. Talk to you again soon. Bye.